Hey YouTube, it's me, Julian. Here's the 2019 Kia Stinger GT, new for 2020. There's a back card. If you want to go ahead and pause and read that information, go ahead. So finally, Hot Wheels has made a Kia. Don't know why it took so long, but here it is, Kia Stinger GT. Very appropriate for the Hot Wheels line. Factory fresh, so it's just blue. It's not, custom tampos or anything like that. Excellent details. Headlights, emblem, whatever hood stuff going on, hood vents, what do you want to call it? Tail lights, emblems and stuff back there as well. So very clean. Nice rims. Overall, I think Hot Wheels nailed this one. Definitely excited to finally see a Kia in the Hot Wheels main line, or just any Hot Wheels. Not sure why it took them so long. I know they did Hyundai's at least 10 years ago or so. So finally, here's the Kia. Would like to see more castings. There's a bunch more Kias out there, so here's the first, if not only at the moment. But thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and keep collecting.